Alright, so I thought I would just do a quick video on this Dimension 900 just so that there are no surprises if you do end up purchasing it. It is, considering its age, I think it's in pretty good condition. There are a couple of minor flaws. There's some minor cracking right here on the hose as well as a little bit down here, but then again that's to be expected for a 30-year-old machine. There's some minor surface rust on the quad-reflex nozzle, but then again that's very typical for these older quad-reflex brush rolls. I just serviced the brush roll and put a new genuine Hoover belt in there, so that's all good to go. I also made a new bag for it. I took a Kenmore HEPA U bag and glued it to an M collar, so now it has HEPA filtration and it seems to work very well. The filter in here is clean. I just washed that. And these are all the tools, full set of attachments, the crevice tool, floor tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool. Everything's got just a little bit of wear. Again, that's to be expected for a machine of this age. Everything works. Both the switch on the canister and the power head are fully functional. Cord rewind works. I'm not sure if the check bag indicator works. It didn't seem like it was working when I got it because the bag was full to the brim when I got it and it was not coming on. So that might be one thing that does not work. But if it doesn't, that's again a minor thing considering that the vacuum itself works perfectly. So I just thought I would run it quick. It's very powerful. Very similar, I guess, in performance to that Dimension 1000 I used to have, except that had multiple motor speed control. It's a little on the loud side, which, again, most Hoover canisters of this era were quite loud.